This is a representative of the terrorist state of Pakistan. Yes, the behavior of the Pakistan High Commission official in London during a protest by the Indian community against the Pahalgam massacre is not only atrocious but reveals the evil blood in Pakistan. The world was aghast to see a visual where a Pakistan High Commission official, identified as Colonel Taimur, was seen drawing his hand across his throat in front of Indian protesters who were holding a demonstration over Pakistan's role in aiding terrorism in India, particularly over the April 22nd Pahalgam incident. Colonel Taimur, the individual in question, is the Pakistan Army and Air Advisor in the High Commission in London. But is this behavior of a Pakistan High Commission official in London justified? It certainly lacks maturity and is unbecoming of an army officer. One wonders if he truly is a diplomat or a new fresh recruit at Bahawalpur terror training camp. In the very same place of London, protests have even taken place outside the Indian High Commission. Still, one has never seen an Indian official behaving in such a fashion, even in cases of gravest of provocation, which we have seen several times at the behest of Khalistani elements. Protesters have the right to stage a protest in healthy democracies, and the Indian protesters were doing exactly the same. There were more than 500 protesters, both of Indian and Jewish origin, who waved Indian flags and were holding placards condemning Pakistan's support for terror elements. It was a democratic, peaceful protest. But the Pakistani official showed the true character of a Pakistani, and his gesture was meant to kill the protesters. The shameful Pakistani official was even holding a placard linked to Group Captain Abhinandan Varthaman when he made the gesture that was even filmed. Furthermore, Pakistan High Commission officials did not stop here. They even started playing loud celebratory music during the protest, adding deep insult to an already grievous injury. The protesters pointed out that the demonstration was a call for justice and accountability. However, in a shameful turn of events, the Pakistan Embassy officials' act was very disturbing, particularly when the entire world is mourning the Pahalgam massacre. Indian protesters called out the inhuman behavior of Pakistani diplomats, especially since the terrorists are also sheltered and nurtured in their homes. The world is watching how not just an average Pakistani behaves when innocents are killed, but also how their diplomats lack basic decency.